go. Come on. For a minute, but I couldn't get ether to it fast enough. I'm trying not to fill the chambers all the way full, and then it will be hosed.
It blew a little black smoke.
It blew darker gray.
Dark gray. That's good. That's what we want to see.
I mean, it blew some
over
dark,
half a
dark
can
gray.
to get it to just.
You almost used that whole can?
Yeah, it's half. I knew it was gonna be.
How many cans did you get?
Just two.
I told you, Aubrey, we should got 4.
All right, hop back in the truck.
You might want to run back down there.
I told.
Really?
We'll see what
that's half a can.
We'll see what these two do.
I mean, it'd be better just to have them where you just swap right off.
Should have had you give me $120 yesterday and got you one of them big batteries that I have up there at Race Brothers we were at yesterday. That has 970 something cranking amps, cold crank amps.
It's like I'm
help.
Huh?
Think that'd help?
Maybe.
Yeah, we might need to go back on crazy. Started.
Mary?
Yeah.
Okay.
Finally got an issue.
Out of ether.
Where's the other can?
That is the other can. Oh.
That was fast.
Detroit.
It'll eat anything. You could throw that can in there and it'd eat it. Oh.
Turbo, it probably would.
You see chunks of can flying out of the stack?
Just sitting over there. Really started.
I seen a leather coat go in the intake of a Detroit and come out the muffler.
A Carhartt?
Some kind of leather jacket. That 6B was running away with itself.
Man, that jacket's seen some stuff. Been through a lot of things.
I've seen that whole top of that engine.
But the jacket was covering oil. If it didn't burn it off.
Pieces is all that come out. It looked like feather duster coming out that taillight.
Yeah, you know, if
I'm pretty sure it wasn't good for the motor.
Come on, we gotta keep it warm. Alright, ready.
What do you got?
No, brake. You got brake food. The brake food.
I gotta wait for the damn batteries. Is the block heater still plugged in?
It'll start.
Huh? No, I don't need starting fluid. I'm awake.
You fill Lily up with it and stuff her down in the hole.
It'll start prepared.
Oh, good grief. Give me the 400-pound fat dog.
It's like new truck, new seat.
Here's your seat.
Here, I'll get
Well,
your.
there's white smoke in there.
I'll get your reload ready where you can go. Alright.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119,
getting her to bark.
We're almost to fuel.
Go get more. I'd get like three cans.
4? Okay.
3 or 4. 'Cause I was-
We're almost to
Got it.
fuel.
We'll walk in.
This is out. But I don't. And this can's over half. Because when it would start barking, I'd hit it with ether, trying to get it to suck some more out and get started.
Yeah. I was holding it flat on the floor waiting on the wall.
Yeah, it is. It starts with ball. started finally. You gotta take it down the road. You gotta see if the air brakes are working. How many batteries did it take? Just those three?